welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna redecorate my dining room. This is what we got going on. I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie and I love filming home decor videos, lifestyle, fashion, and shop with me. So a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, be sure to like and subscribe. So this is my before. This is the setup that I have going on right now. I usually have a plant right here, but I don't have one right now. So we're gonna go to Home Goods and try to find it. What else? I'm gonna be putting something very different right here on this wall. And you guys are gonna see it and love it, hopefully. But yeah, this is my centerpiece. I like something that is not too tall because when we do have dinners here, which is every day, if we have something that is really tall, I don't like the fact that I cannot see my husband. He sits on that side, I sit on this side. And if I can't see his face, it kind of bugs me. This video is sponsored by Mix Styles. If you guys are not familiar with Mix Styles, they are a company who make beautiful tiles made out of pictures. You upload your pictures. As you can see, it's super easy to do it. All you have to do is upload it from your phone. You can also upload it from your computer and pick the pictures that you would like to print. Add different types of frames and they are delivered to your home. As you can see, Leo is able to bring the box in and it's such a big box. So yeah, they are super lightweight. And this was my pick. I decided to go with a white frame. Wow, what do you think?
Wow.
We're going to be placing them on this wall. Do you like them, Leo?
Yeah.
They turned out even better than I remembered. I did them black and white, and you do have to do that before you upload the picture onto the website, because they do not have that option. They have different frames. For me, this is something that I wanted for this wall. And I chose many of my special moments with my family that I wanted to capture. And the quality is really nice. The frame is really, really light. And the quality is very clear. As you can see on this paper, it shows you how you can hang your Mix Styles. It is super easy. The first step, as you can see my husband doing, he peeled that off. It's just like a sticky part, like a sticker, you can say. And you just press onto the wall and they stick. You honestly don't have to put that much force. You think 4 is better than 5? I think 5, because it's going to be 5 rows of 5. Or, oh, 4 is fine. 4 is fine. Trying to rearrange them because on the top, as you can see up there, there's a doorbell and I do not like how that looks, so we're gonna try to make them closer. We are now rearranging them and it is really easy. And there you have it, you guys. It is super easy to put it together. Thank you so much to Mix Styles for sponsoring this video. I will have their link down below. So if you guys are interested, there is also going to be a discount code. Alright, so that was probably my most favorite part of the video. Now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate the table and everything else.
You had a house where you have to walk up to the bedroom?
Yeah, like on the stairs. That would be really nice.
On the stairs.
What do you think about the size? Do you think that's a good size?
Yeah. Any smaller, you can't see them. Any larger, it's like, okay, it's getting too big.
Do you like black and white better than color? Or? I think it's more timeless, classic. And all those pictures were great memories that I made with my family, so I thought it would be really pretty to have it here in our dining room where we spend most of the time. Well, actually not most of the time, but every day we do gather here. So I'm sure the kids are gonna love this one now. So I got these placemats at Home Goods. I want to say about 2 to 3 months ago. I found them upstairs. And they are velvety. They're kind of grayish. Really pretty. So I'm going to be using those. They kind of match our chairs. Just a little bit. I placed my other 2 chairs back there because it's easier for the kids to run around since they're always playing in the house. And I had to make sure that they had enough space. But when we do have dinner, we use those chairs as well. I'm going to be adding a pop of gold into my dining decor. And these are the charges that I'll be using. I will link them down below if you guys are interested. Everything's going to be down below, as well as similar items if I cannot find the ones that I have in my home. I changed the pillows that I had back there and I put some gold ones so that it matches with my chargers that I have here. And also my chandelier is gold, so it flows nicely. Alright, and as for the table, I added some flowers because I love flowers. And those are my favorites. And I'm adding as I go, so I'll show you guys what's next. I have 2 options. I can leave it like this or like this. And honestly, they're both really pretty. For now, we're gonna probably do this style, but if it doesn't work out, then I can always just change it to that. As most of you know, we do have toddlers at home, so I decided to use these plastic plates, and the only thing that is glass really is this crystal flower and the base with the flowers. But other than that, everything is plastic. I just want to keep it kids friendly and safe so that way they don't get hurt. So I ended up lowering the tiles just a little bit because I thought it was a little too high. But that looks much better. And let me show you guys the table set. And here we have the table set. Super simple, kids friendly, you guys. Remember, Leo, oh my god, Leo, because Leo will be in so much trouble. And also the rug, I know the rug is kind of small, but I'm going to keep it that way. I do plan on replacing this rug, but not anytime soon, because I feel like if it's bigger, my dining room is pretty small, it's not that big. If it's bigger, it's going to get really dirty fast, so I do not want that. So that's the reason why we have this carpet. One thing I am looking for sure that I do want to find, actually I already found it on Amazon, I just need to order it. It's a plant like I used to have it right here. If you guys remember, if you've seen my previous videos, I used to have a plant right there. I'm actually going to put a palm tree right now so that you can kind of see how the vibes that it gives when I have a plant right there. It's a bit big, but I'm going to try to make it work just for the video. Okay, there you have it. It's kind of short. I need something a little bit taller, but it's beautiful. I need something bigger so that it kind of divides the living room and the dining room. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you so much to Mix Styles for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are interested in the Mix Styles that I show on this video, I will have a link down below and also a discount code. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! I think I like this ginger jar better than what I had. And here's the final look. No more changes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah. I'm in love with you in every way.
joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if
My husband mentioned to me that we should get more mixed styles. He really liked them. Maybe put a roll down here and another one up there. And also, if you have a stairway, they would be perfect. I highly recommend them. And not only because they're sponsoring this video, but because they're actually really cute. And the best part is that you can always stick them on and stick them back off, and they're perfectly fine. So it is super cool. Leo just woke up from his nap, and here he is. Leo, did you see the pictures? Can we put that back, mi amor? Leo, did you see the wall? Ooh, do you like it? Oh, you like that one? What about baby Cece? Where's baby Cece? I don't see baby Cece. You like it? Diego, yeah. Where's Rosa? How about Rosa? Do you see Rosa? That's baby Rosa. Alright, so Leo's awake and this is what's happening. No more small plates. Table runner has to go.
hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone